Hello everyone, welcome again to UK and something slightly different on the channel. You know, on the streams we like to talk about electric vehicles and the opinions are always so polarising. People love them, people hate them. Anyway, the lovely people at DYU contacted me and said, well, why don't you try one of our electric bicycles? So that's exactly what I'm doing here today. In this video, we're going to have a look in the box, see what it actually contains, and of course I'm going to take you out and about. So let's get on with today's video. For full transparency, I was sent this item absolutely free of charge to review and showcase in this video. This small box contains the power adapter for recharging the bike, the pedals, a small tool, and of course the instructions and warranty card. Then we have the saddle, and of course the main bike unit. Now the bike's out of the box, it's time to remove all that protective packaging and fit the saddle, the pedals, and lift the handlebars. Now we're all set up and ready to go. Let's take you out and have some fun. First thing to do is to unfold it. So we're going to grab hold of the handlebars, and there's only one way it comes up. So we're going to move that all the way up, and then you've got this rather strong clip here, probably two hands. You just clip that in, and that's the handlebars locked into place. It's easy to adjust the saddle. All you've got to do is pull back on this lever, and you can put it up to where it's suitable for you, and then back on with the clip, and that's the bike all ready to go. We've got two buttons up front on the handlebars. The one on the left is the on switch, so just a simple quick press of that. Now over here, you might not see it now because it's on the sun, but it will give you your battery indicator. We've also got another button here. If you hold that down just for a few seconds, you'll notice the headlights turn on. You've also got a rear light as well, and when you hold the brakes on either of the brakes, it flashes all the usual safety features that you'd expect, like reflectors on the front, you've got reflectors on the pedals, and there's a reflector at the back as well. On the right hand side, you've got your front brake. The brakes are really good on this as well, and they're disc, and you can see, and you'll see in a moment when I start driving it, the brakes are fantastic. Same with the rear on the left hand side. There's also a stand at the rear to keep it upright when you're not using it. So this is where the battery is all kept, and this is where you're going to charge it as well. So when it needs to be charged, you pull that plastic flap back and you gain access to the charger. You've got a rear carrier suitable for weights up to 25 kilograms. So you've got two modes with this bike. The first one is pedal assist. That is using the power of the electric motor to assist you in your pedaling. And the second mode is full electric power. Let's have some safety first and do a demonstration. So the first way is pedal assist. You'll use the handlebar accelerator just like a motorbike. So you'll pull it back to go and let go to slow down. So we're going to pull that back and pedal at the same time to assist the electrical motor. The second way is to pull away under the power and propulsion of the electric motor only, just by pulling back the handlebar grip. It's quite a nimble little bike in terms of handling. The handlebars seem not as wide as, say, a mountain bike, so you actually got quite a lot of control there on the handlebars, as we'll show you now. And we're using the electric power to do this. No pedaling required. Top speed of 15 miles an hour. Let's have some drive-by shots. So using electric only, you're going to get about 15.5 miles. And if you use pedal assist, that'll increase that by an extra 10 miles. So the motor is 350 watts, which is more than powerful enough for the road. As you can see here, it's got big old chunky tyres on the front and the back as well. So let's go and do some off-roading. You've seen it on the road. Now we're down at one of our local country parks. Let's see how it handles gravel, dirt, and maybe the odd jump. It's not going to be as fast on grass as it is on tarmac, but you can see that bike handles, especially the stairs, it handles it really well. But in all seriousness, we have thrown everything at this over the last hour, including me falling off, as you saw, and it's actually all right. Everything is really good. You can have a lot of fun with it off-road. I mean, it's really designed for that. The sweet spot will be the commute, the short commute to work and back. We recently went on a camping holiday with a camper van. This would be perfect to fold up and go to the shops or go to the shower blocks, for example, on something like this. This has got a lot of uses and I really like it. So it's priced at £519, but I think currently there is a sale on the DYU website. A massive thank you to DYU for sending me this bike. I'm absolutely going to keep it. It's a lot of fun and it'd be ideal for going to the shops and going to work. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.